If you are thinking about luxury life and neighborhood of sea, this project is exactly for you.
Our project is a family concept. This is number one.
Spacious area, luxury design and amazing view. Hello dear friends, my name is Shayla and I'm your real estate agent in Istanbul. So we are here to present our Palm Marine project. If you are thinking about luxury life and neighborhood of sea, this project is exactly for you. Hello Mr. Tamam, my name is Shayla, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ms. Shaira.
Thank you very much for helping us, and I would like to ask you to describe your project, to give some basic information.
Of course. Let's start, first of all, let's start from the project name. Why our project name is Palm Marine? Because we have palm trees inside the project. Here, as you see, in these areas, is going to be palm trees inside the project, and also our project is very close to West Side Marina. West Side Marina is very famous in Beylikdüzü and in Istanbul also. There is too many activities, cafe, restaurants, and many more in the West Side Marina. That's why they call our project Palm Marine.
So what about the total land area of Palm Marine?
Is it 27,000 square meters?
So what about total number of flats and blocks?
The flats is 330 apartments, starting from 2+1, 3+1, and 4+1, 5+2, and 6+2. Total is 19 buildings and 38 blocks.
Great.
Okay.
What about phases and the delivery date of this project?
Okay. Phases is going to be two phases. First one is going to start from this block till here, C8, is going to be delivered at end of this year. The rest is going to be delivered at July 2022.
So thank you very much. And my last question is, what is the difference between Palm Marine and the other projects?
Okay. First of all, our project is a family concept. This is number one. It's very suitable for a family life because of malicious activities in the project, like swimming pools, sports center. Also, we have Turkish bath, and we have a spa. There will be a market inside the project. Also, there will be a restaurant and cafe inside the project. There will be also a sports area, basketball, football, and tennis court. And also we have a children playground here and there in two places also. And also most of the apartments have a beautiful sea view. Some of apartments with partial sea view, and some apartments has full sea view. Also for the people who are looking for quiet life away from the city noise, this is going to be the perfect choice.
So thank you very much again.
You are welcome, my pleasure.
And thank you for describing your project.
You are welcome, my pleasure. Nice to meet you too.
Now we are in our sample apartment, which is 4+1 with 196 square meters. Firstly, let's check our living room. Here we can combine between spacious area, luxury design and amazing view. Look at this huge balcony, which is 9 square meters. Could you imagine this panoramic view from your living room? Let's check our kitchen. So, as you can see, it has really nice design. Here you can see fridge, microwave, oven, Ancastre set, and dishwasher. And also we have entrance to the balcony. So here is, as you can see, our first bathroom. And this is our second bedroom. You can adjust it, as you can see, like office. So here is our laundry. You can put here your washing machine. Here is our large master bedroom. Also, here is our second bathroom. So, here is our second bedroom and the third one. Are you ready to get this luxury life? We give you professional real estate services. Make your decision with us.